We measure where we want it. Cut it. And then just gotta push all the way through. We should go all the way through so that way it's not leaking.
Okay.
And proceed to cover. Just make sure it's straight so that way your water is gonna be even all the way around. This is where a lot of people have an issue with, because they live sideways.
So one of those are damaged. All we have to do is basically
We dig it out.
dig it up, cut that piece right there, put a new one on, the same way you just installed this one.
Or if you have the same brand,
Mm-hmm.
what you gotta do is dig it up a little bit. You screw this part right here.
Mm-hmm.
Take out.
Mm-hmm.
Take your new one. That way you don't have to dig all the way. And you're done.
Stick it in. Quick and easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Awesome.
I'll go back to the old one because it's different size.
Okay, gotcha. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
In, and some of the heads already installed. You can barely see them. And prior to doing this, we flushed the system, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. System was flushed. These are all the technicians that my man Ramiro got with him. Quick and simple. All right, see you on the next one.